Awooooga Hummina Hummina. Selena Gomez steps out in a sky-high slit. She got legs and she knows how to use them. Selena Gomez and her legs stepped out in Hollywood on Friday night, and they all looked amazing. The slit on her silky dress went all the way up, and I'm so inspired that I'm cutting slits into everything I own: dresses, skirts, pants, etc. Also, the jacket is perfection. Checked out the back. Selena recently completed a 2-week program to treat anxiety and depression. The source said she wanted to get away and focus on herself with no distractions, adding that Selena came back feeling very empowered following the treatment. The treatmentof, the on-site program, allegedly included therapy, healthy meals, Pilates, and mediation.